What's up, everyone? I just received 2 incredible mystery boxes from Wizards of the Coast, aka Magic the Gathering, aka the incredible people who allowed me to be part of their Kamigawa Neon Dynasty official soundtrack. So, let's see what we got. This is Mystery Box 1. Look at this thing. Mystery Box 1. Yeah. See what's in here. This is very on brand for me. Look how sick this thing is. Super cool. Love it, love it, love it. I believe this box was for their January event. But I got it and I wanted to wait till the soundtrack was out before I celebrated. Now this box is heavy. This box is insane. Hidetsugu, Devouring Chaos. Legendary creature, Ogre Demon. I was going to say Ogre because that's how they say it in Japan. Ogre Demon. Sacrifice a creature. Exile the top card of your library. You may play this card at this turn. When you exile a non-land card this way, Hidetsugu, Devouring Chaos deals damage equal to the exiled card's mana value to any target. 4 out of 4. Look at this thing. Okay. So the question is, there's a bunch of other stuff in here. Do I keep it sealed? Do I open it? I want to open it, but I want to see what you think. How cool this is. It's amazing. Kamigawa pin and lanyard set, limited edition. There's a lot of stuff in this box. You keep it sealed? Keep what sealed? What can I open? What can I not open? I don't want to. This is mine forever. Do I keep this sealed? Okay, keep the card in the case. Okay, I was like, yeah, I can't open anything? I'm asking the people if I should be opening things or not. I'm so glad they gave me the Hidetsugu. That's the one I wanted. Back of the pin, I see. Look how incredible that is. Look at that. The art of everything in this campaign is insane. It all looks like metal art. Got a lanyard. Tour pass. Ah, I see. It's extra pinbacks to this. Look how sick that is. It's so cool. Ah, I should use this on tour. This is crazy looking. This is that same amazing dragon art. Awesome. I was hoping I'd get some stuff. This is way too much stuff. Holy shite. My ring light wanted some of that. Okay, let's see what's in the rest. Can I open this? Can I open this? Can I open it? This is a very heavy box. I can open all the boxes. I want to. Over a millennium has passed since we last visited Kamigawa. Cutting-edge mortal technology complements and threatens the ancient spirits that still roam the plane. Call upon crafty ninjas, tell incredible sagas that spring to life, and reconfigure creatures into powerful weapons. This is both Kamigawa and magic like you've never seen them before. Which part do I open from the box? I don't want to break anything. This box is too cool. So cool. But all of them. That's so many boxes. That's so many boxes. That's so many cards. So cool. This would be a special stream. Can I open this? Can I open this? I can keep it closed? It'll ruin the box if I open it up. I'm asking chat. So tempting. I'm gonna open all these, but should we like make it a whole stream event? I want to play. No, I want to play these. You'd open this one off stream. Tori Pilot Prodigy, legendary creature, Moonfolk Pilot. Vehicles you control have crew 2. At the beginning of combat on your turn, target artifact creature you control gains lifelink and vigilance until end of turn. Some people test limits. I prefer to demolish them. It's Kotori. Choose your commander and overcome both friend and foe in this fun and exciting multiplayer Magic format. Hitch a ride with Kotori and her fleet of souped-up vehicles, then run your opponents off the road. If you can master all the ways to bring your artifacts to life, you'll be miles ahead of the competition. So this includes 100 card deck with 15 new cards, deck box, 10 double-sided token cards, plus foil edge display commander life wheel, strategy insert, and reference card. Damn. Fully spoiled. Fully spoiled. Fully spoiled. So cool. There's more. So happy. Just truly spoiled. Wizards of the Coast, Magic the Gathering, thank you so much. Let's keep doing this. Let's keep doing this. Sick. So cool. I'm so happy it's the Chaos one. Because I remember seeing Hidetsugu and I was like, man, that reminds me of, what's the Japanese fire? Kagutsuchi, Japanese fire god, which I wrote a song about, and Chaos. So that's what this guy reminds me of. Makes me happy. Yeah, Akira actually got some. He opened this up before I had a chance and got some of the smudgy adhesive on here from the back of the thing. But I'll be able to get this off with some Goo Gone. But I just need to be super careful. I will be super careful. This is like screwed in. This is. Once again, to recap, 3 collector boosters. Commander set. Just a ton of cards, and I can't wait to open these. Pin and lanyards. I love it. I'm so excited. I don't deserve this stuff, but thank you so much.